A great way to highlight the features of your best-selling products or services on Instagram is to use a viral Reels trend like She's a 10, which has already been recreated by over 50,000 creators. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can use this ready-to-use InVideo template to recreate this trend for your brand in under 15 minutes.
She's a 10, but no, that's it actually. She's a 10. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, and a boss, I'm a shine like girls, I'm a bitch.
Select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is your best fit for Reels, and click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The canvas shows you the actual video while all your scenes are placed on the timeline and are already synced to the trending music track, so you don't have to change the music track or readjust the duration of your scenes in any way. On the left, you have the complete menu to choose what you want to add to the video like images, text, music, etc. Now let's begin editing. We are recreating this reel for a perfume brand, but you can customize it for any product or service. If you have video clips and images of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock media to recreate this reel. For the first slide, we want to replace the lipstick video with the video of someone spraying perfume. So we'll go to the video tab in the left menu and search for perfumes using the search bar. Once we find a clip we like, we will drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit replace in the pop-up window that appears. This will open up another pop-up window where we can trim the duration of the clip to fit the scene, which is depicted by this vertical dotted line. Simply select this option on the bottom left corner of the window that says Trim Video to Fit Scene and then click on Add. And your clip will replace the template default. You similarly want to go ahead and replace the video clip in the next scene as well. Now for the third scene onwards, we have images in the template that we want to replace. So we'll go to the Image tab in the left menu and search for relevant perfume images. Once we find an image we like, we will simply drag and drop it onto the canvas and click Replace in the pop-up window that appears. And your image will replace the template default. Now you just have to repeat the process for all the remaining slides. And if the media you've replaced appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. When you export the video, everything will be in high definition. If you make a mistake or add media you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. Once all your media is replaced, you want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, double-click on the text on any scene to open up the edit window on the left, and here you type out your own text. Make sure you add your website and CTA to the last scene. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left, and here you upload your own logo image. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and it will automatically get replaced throughout the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel.
She's a 10, but no, that's it actually. She's a 10. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, and a boss, I'm a shine like girls, I'm a bitch.
And once you're satisfied, hit export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you're a practicing gynecologist with your own clinic, this is what this reel will look like for you.
She's a 10, but no, that's it actually. She's a 10. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, and a boss, I'm a shine like girls, I'm a bitch.
Now let's look at how you can upload your reel on Instagram and start getting reach and engagement for your brand. Use the audio link on the template page and open it on your phone. Here you can use the white pill at the bottom to upload your edited reel, and it will automatically be synced to the audio, so you don't need to make any additional changes. Just put in your captions and hashtags and hit share. And that's how you can create and upload a trending reel within video.